Samsung's Ultra lineup has always represented the company's most advanced technology, but the Galaxy S27 Ultra may be far more than a routine update. New leaks suggest something much bigger is taking shape. Expected to arrive in early 2027, the S27 Ultra is rumored to bring major upgrades across cameras, battery technology, design, performance, and software. And one area stands out immediately. Samsung may finally replace its long-running 3x telephoto camera with a more advanced 5x zoom lens. If true, users could capture distant subjects with greater detail and improved image quality. From wildlife and sports to travel photography and portraits, the new zoom system could offer more flexibility than before. But according to current reports, the camera upgrades may extend much further. Rumors point to next-generation image sensors and enhanced processing technology. The main camera could use a 200-megapixel sensor with improved HDR, helping preserve more detail across difficult lighting. The ultra-wide camera may move to a new 50-megapixel sensor for sharper photos and stronger low-light results. A 24-megapixel front camera with better autofocus is also being discussed. Battery life appears to be another major focus. Current leaks suggest a capacity ranging from 5,500 mAh to more than 6,000 mAh, potentially delivering significantly longer screen-on time. What's especially interesting is that Samsung may achieve this without increasing thickness. Reports suggest silicon-carbon battery technology could allow more energy within the same physical space. Charging could see meaningful improvements as well. The S27 Ultra is rumored to support 60-watt or even 65-watt wired charging, while wireless charging may gain Qi 2 and magnetic alignment support. Design changes may be just as noticeable. Samsung is rumored to move away from its familiar vertical camera arrangement and adopt a horizontal layout with a very different appearance. Beyond aesthetics, a horizontal camera system could reduce the wobble many flagship phones experience on flat surfaces. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite Gen 6 is expected to power the device. Leaks also mention 12GB and 16GB LPDDR6 RAM, storage options from 256GB to 1TB, faster UFS 5 technology, and a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with QHD+ and 120Hz refresh rate. Peak brightness could reach 3,000 nits, joined by improved anti-reflective coatings. Reports also mention Polar ID facial recognition, Android 17, One UI 9, 7 years of updates, and a February 2027 launch. Pricing remains unknown, but if these rumors prove accurate, Samsung could have another flagship powerhouse on its hands.